These 5 things might be causing you back pain. Stay tuned because I'm going to let you know not only the 5 mistakes, but how to solve. Stop hunching your shoulders. If you're new to jumping, it's normal to feel like you need more slack to clear the rope to make it easier to jump over the rope. Many people tend to hunch their shoulders, but this can cause soreness in the upper back and neck area. You can fix this by maintaining an upright posture, keeping your shoulders back and away from your ears, and engaging your shoulder blades. This will help you improve the alignment of the whole spine while you're jumping. It may be difficult initially, but trust that you'll clear the rope without issue. If you don't, you need a longer rope. Stop arching your back. With so many moving parts at one time, you're probably not focused too closely on your spine alignment while jumping rope, but overarching your lumbar spine, your lower back, while jumping is a recipe for back pain. Ideally, your body should be in a pretty straight line from your head to your toes, without any part of your body sticking too far forward or back. Your pelvis should stay in neutral alignment without rolling too far forward or back. Fix this by engaging your core as you jump, and think about pulling your belly button towards your spine. This will help you keep your alignment. Eventually, this will become second nature and one less thing to focus on. To avoid hitting yourself with the rope, you may feel inclined to extend your arms straight away from your body. This mistake may not only be causing backache, but technically doesn't make sense. Think about it. The further you extend your elbows and hands away from your body, the less slack you have in the rope. As a result, you'll have less room to clear the rope while jumping. To compensate, your body will hunch forward, committing the first mistake I said. How to fix this mistake? Keep your elbows close to your sides while you're jumping. This will allow for more slack in the rope, giving your body more of a vertical jumping space. Don't look at the ground while you're jumping. As you grow fatigued, you may feel inclined to look down at the ground while you're jumping. Focusing on the rope as you grow tired can help you time your jump appropriately, but it can also cause strain or discomfort in your neck and upper back if you hold this position for too long. How to fix this mistake? While you're jumping, keep your head and neck in line with the rest of your spine. Trust your timing and judgment without looking down. If you're new to this activity, it will take some time. You can also tuck your chin in slightly to protect your neck from strain. Don't land too hard. Don't slap your feet on the ground. Jumping rope should be simple. You should be able to just jump up and down, and that's all there is to it. But there's a safe way to land. Most people start landing improperly when they're tired because you lose proper form, you lose focus because you're tired. You really want to build your endurance up, and it'll help you land properly and help you get the right form. The thing with jumping rope is the more you jump rope, the better you get at jumping rope. And the only way to get better at jumping rope is if you jump rope. No matter how tired you are, make sure that you're landing on the balls of your feet. Pain in the lower back would be more likely caused by an inadequate shock absorption due to hitting the ground repeatedly with hard landing. Also, be careful on what kind of surface you're constantly jumping rope on. Use a jump rope mat if you think the surface that you're jumping rope on is too harsh. Each time you hit the ground, the spine and body compress. In a sense, this shock travels up the feet into the spine, oftentimes leading to a feeling of pressure or discomfort in the lower back. How to fix this problem? Maintain proper form and make sure that you land softly.
Now, if you're jumping rope on the wrong surface, you may not be able to reap the back benefits of the jump rope. Check out this video, and I'm sure to tell you what surface you should be jumping on. And as always, just start. We're about being perfect later. Peace.